Yeah, in this tutorial we'll be learning switch statement in C++. Now, how the switch statement works? Okay, now switch statement is been used where multiple option is been given to the user. Now here is the syntax of switch statement. Now here I had given a variable by the name choice. Press any number from the keyboard. So choice will be entered in the variable. Whatever will be stored, whatever the choice the user will be given, it will store over here. Now from here our main syntax starts. Now here switch choice. Now you can see here our syntax, that is switch expression. Now here I have to put my expression, that is switch choice, and then case 1 expression or statement. Now in case 1 I have written over here I am from case 1. Here in case 1 I have written over here I am from case 1 break 2. Then in case 2 I have written I am from case 2, and then default I am from default section. So we are using this syntax to make our program. Now case 1 according to the syntax I am from case 1 break, and here I am using statement I am from case 1. Case 2 I am from case 2, here also I am using statement, and break default expression statement I am giving, that is I am from default section. Now let's see the output, how it works. I have written 1, I am from case 1. Now I am writing 2, I am from case 2. Now 3, I am from default section. So here I had given multiple options to the user. So in this way our syntax work. Switch expression, what I have written over here. Here my switch expression is choice, and then case 1 expression or statement. Here is my case 1, I have used the statement. Then case 2 expression or statement, I have used over here statement, and here default statement, and here I have used the default statement. So here is the simple program of the switch statement. Now I had made one basic calculator to make it more clear. Here I have used variable a, b, c, and choice. So press 1 for addition, 2 for subtraction, 3 for multiply, 4 for divide. Enter your choice. Now enter your choice is my variable that will be stored in the switch choice expression. Now case 1, enter any two number. Now two number will be entered in variable a and b, and variable a and b the addition a plus b will store in c, and at the end the result will be printed in c. Now same way case 2 will be done. Now in case 2 the subtraction is there, so a plus b, instead of a plus b I have written a minus b. Now in case 3 rest everything is the same. Instead of a minus b I have written a asterisk or multiply by b, and in case 4 I have written a divided by b. Now default is wrong choice. So this is very simple program, copy paste is there, but in the main thing we have to understand the switch statement and its syntax in this particular thing. Now let's compile and check it. So enter choice will be given. Press enter your choice. Press 1 for addition. 2 plus 2 4. So result has given me 4. Now we will see the another choice. Press 2 for subtraction. 5 and 3. Result has given me 2. Now another we will see. Press 3 for multiply. Now 5 5 are 25, and press 4 for divide. Now let's say I'm pressing 4 for divide. 8 divided by 4, answer is 2. So here we end our session in switch statement. In switch statement where you need give the user more of the multiple choice stuff. I hope you have understood the video.